Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something super exciting for you. We're talking about some fresh and trending ways to make money online in 2024 that you probably haven't heard of yet. Trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Alright, let's dive right into our first online money-making trend for 2024, NFT flipping. Now, you've probably heard of NFTs, those unique digital assets that blew up last year, right? But did you know that you can actually flip them for a profit, just like trading sneakers or watches? It's true. See, the key here is to find undervalued NFTs with high growth potential. Think of it like finding a hidden gem in a sea of digital art. Now, how do you actually do that? Well, it takes a bit of research. You need to immerse yourself in the NFT space, join online communities, follow influential NFT collectors, and really understand the trends driving the market. It's all about identifying those projects that are about to take off, those hidden gems that everyone will be talking about tomorrow. And remember, timing is everything. You want to buy low and sell high, just like in any other market. But here's the thing, folks, NFT flipping isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, effort, and yes, a little bit of luck. But with the right knowledge and a bit of hustle, you can ride this digital wave to some serious online profits. Trust me, the potential here is huge, and 2024 is shaping up to be another massive year for NFTs. Next up, we're talking about a method that's perfect for those of you who want to start investing but don't have a ton of cash to throw around. I'm talking about micro-investing apps. These apps are revolutionizing the way we invest, making it accessible to literally everyone. We're talking about investing with as little as a few cents or $1 at a time. Think about it. How many times have you bought a coffee, swiped your card, and thought nothing of those few extra cents in change? Well, with micro-investing apps, those cents can actually start working for you. These apps round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the difference into a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or even real estate. It's like putting your investments on autopilot. And the best part, micro-investing is incredibly low risk. You're starting small and gradually building your portfolio over time. Plus, these apps are designed with beginners in mind, so you don't need to be a financial expert to get started. They offer simple, easy-to-understand interfaces and educational resources to help you make informed investment decisions. Look, I get it. Investing can seem intimidating, especially if you're new to it. But micro-investing apps break down those barriers, making it easy and approachable for everyone to grow their wealth. So, if you've been wanting to dip your toes into the investment world but didn't know where to start, micro-investing could be your perfect entry point. Moving on, let's talk about a work-from-home opportunity that's booming right now, remote customer service for startups. Now, I know what you might be thinking, customer service, isn't that like the opposite of exciting? But hear me out, because this is different. Startups are all about innovation and growth, and they're always on the lookout for passionate individuals to join their team, even remotely. As a remote customer service representative for a startup, you'll be the front line, the friendly voice that helps customers navigate their products or services. You'll be solving problems, answering questions, and providing that all-important human touch. And the best part, you can do it all from the comfort of your own home, on your own schedule. Startups understand the value of work-life balance and flexibility, which is why remote customer service roles are becoming increasingly popular. Plus, because startups are often lean teams, you'll have the opportunity to wear multiple hats and really make a difference in the company's growth. And here's the kicker. Because startups are constantly evolving, there's huge potential for growth within the company. As the startup expands, so too will your opportunities for advancement and higher pay. So if you're a people person who loves helping others and thrives in a fast-paced environment, remote customer service for startups could be your ticket to a fulfilling and lucrative online career. Now, for all you experts and passionate individuals out there, I've got an exciting opportunity for you, creating and selling online courses on niche topics. See, everyone's good at something, right? Whether it's playing a musical instrument, speaking a foreign language, coding, graphic design, or even something as specific as bonsai tree care, there's an audience out there eager to learn from you. And the beauty of niche online courses is that you don't need to be a world-renowned expert to succeed. In fact, sometimes it's better to focus on a smaller, more specific niche. Why? Because it's less competitive. Think about it. There are probably thousands of online courses on general topics like photography or digital marketing. But how many courses are there on, say, underwater photography for beginners or social media marketing for dentists? See what I mean? By focusing on a niche, you're tapping into a smaller, more targeted audience that's highly motivated to learn. Plus, you can charge a premium for your expertise because you're offering something unique and valuable. And the best part is, Once you've created your online course, it's a passive income stream. You put in the work up front, and then you can sell it over and over again, reaching a global audience. So, if you've got a skill or passion that you're eager to share with the world, creating a niche online course could be your path to online success. It's a fantastic way to leverage your knowledge, build a community, and generate passive income for years to come. Last but not least, let's talk about a rapidly growing field that's ripe with opportunity: social media management for influencers. Now, we all know how big social media has become, right? It's how we connect with friends and family, stay up to date on current events, and increasingly discover new products and services. And at the heart of this social media revolution are influencers, those individuals who've built a loyal following online by creating engaging content and sharing their unique perspectives. But here's the thing: as influencers grow their audience and their brand partnerships, they often need help managing their social media presence. That's where you come in. As a social media manager for an influencer, you'll be the strategic mind behind their online presence. You'll be crafting engaging captions, scheduling posts, interacting with followers, and analyzing data to optimize their content strategy. In essence, you'll be the voice behind the influencer, helping them to connect with their audience and grow their brand. And the best part? This is a skill set that's in high demand. As more and more businesses recognize the power of influencer marketing, the need for skilled social media managers will only continue to grow. So if you're a social media savvy individual with a knack for storytelling and a passion for building online communities, social media management for influencers could be your dream online career. And there you have it, folks. Those are some of the hottest and most unique ways to make money online in 2024. From flipping NFTs to micro-investing, remote customer service, niche online courses, and social media management, there's something here for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Upbeat music crescendos and fades out. Suggest your topic for the next video in the comments below.